What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using a big trend that's happening right now. Now, this is a brand new trend and you are going to want to get on this quick. So what I've done for this tutorial is I've actually gone out and created a tool that you can actually use, and I'll show you how to use it in this video to make money with this method. So you've got a massive shortcut with this method right now that you can actually do right now. This is very important, and I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this method. And these are some of the steps here. Step one, I'm going to show you exactly what this method is. I'm going to show you how to get started using the tool that I actually just created for you. And then I'm going to show you how to make money with this. Now, you're not going to need to go and create your own website. You won't even actually need any money to do this as well. You can do this for free. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how to make money online with this new trend. And more importantly, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so when my next video comes out. Let's jump into this. All right, guys, so the first step to this is super easy. What you want to do is you want to go to TikTok first, and I'm going to show you what this method is and how it works. And then I'm going to show you how to actually go and create the content and then how you can make money with this method. In TikTok, you want to go and put some stuff into the search bar. For example, we're going to go and put in quiz. Now, I've done two searches here. I've done quiz game challenge and I've done quiz. Now, if we go through to the quiz games challenge real quick, and you can see some accounts here. If we go ahead and click on some of these, you'll see that these accounts do specific quizzes. So they get really good engagement and stuff like that. Now, if you can see this one right here, they have 200,000 followers and they have videos getting millions of views, 3 million here, 9 million here, 45,000 here, 48,000 here. They get a lot of views. Then we have this one here, and they also do quizzes and they have an insane amount of views as well. 20 million, 30 million, 30 million, 13,000, 9,000, 1.4 million. We have 140,000 right here, and they have 800,000 followers. Now, these accounts are pretty new because this is a big trend that's happening right now. And then if we have this one here as well, which is called Brains Challenge 101, they are doing the same thing as well. And they have a link to Facebook where they're probably doing the same thing on Facebook as well, because you can do this across multiple platforms. Now, if we look at Quiz, it's the exact same thing. They have channels with essentially they have profiles of lots of views as well. So if we click on this one right here, you can see that they have tons of quizzes and once again, millions and hundreds of thousands of views and nearly 1 million followers. So what I've done is I've gone and created a chatbot that we can use to go and quickly create these quizzes. And I'll show you exactly how it works right here. I'll leave a link in the description. This video is going to be super quick because I've actually created all of the tools for you. I'm going to leave a link in the description to use this Quizbot, and it actually is called Quizbot. You can find it in ChatGPT. I'm going to go, so what you can do is you can click on generate a quiz about space exploration, or you can basically type in here the topics. You could say generate a quiz about fishing, generate a quiz about parenting, generate a quiz about New York. You can type in here whatever you want as well, but we're going to go ahead and click on create a quiz on modern technology, and it's going to create the quizzes for us. And I've programmed this bot to actually go ahead and give us 3 multi-choice questions. If you want, you could say to it, hey, give me 4 multi-choice if you want, but at the moment it's programmed to do 3 multi-choice. Now, what I'm going to do is we're going to actually go ahead and pick one of these to do. So I've programmed it to give us 10. All right, now it's actually supposed to give you all of the answers at the end, but I just typed in what are the answers. So I'm going to reprogram the bot to actually make sure it gives us all the answers at the end. But if it doesn't, all you do is put in what are the answers, and it will give you the answers to all of the quizzes above, right? Really, really cool. So now let's go ahead and create a quiz that we can go ahead and upload so we can make money online. All right, guys, I just reprogrammed the bot and did this again, actually. So we're going to go on space exploration now, and I asked it to do 10 and then give us the answers at the end now. So this will automatically give us the answers at the end of every single 10 quizzes that we make. So for example here, answer keys. So this is all of the answers from 1 to 10. So for example here, when was the first manned mission to the International Space Station? And the answer is in the year 2000. So it's all ready to go and you can use this. So the next step is we want to go over to a website called canva.com. Okay, you can go ahead and check this out. And then what we want to go ahead and do is we want to put in quiz in the title here, and we're going to get these quiz pages that we can go ahead and edit. I'm just going to edit this one here because it's nice and easy, and I'm going to click customize this template. I'm just going to get rid of a few things here that I was playing around with before, and here we go. Now what we're going to do is we've got 2 pages. So we've got the one where it basically, and this is automated. Okay, so it's got the one where it asks the question, and then after about 5 seconds, it goes and shows you people the answer. Okay, cool. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to pick a random one, and I'll pick who was the first person to walk the moon, and we'll go back to here, and we will paste it into here. Okay, who was the first person to walk the moon? And then we're also going to paste it into here, because remember, this is 2 separate scenes. And then we're going to go ahead and fill this out. So I go back to here, and I can copy this. Is it Yuri? We'll get rid of that. So A is Yuri, and we'll copy that into both areas. What I'll do is I'll actually copy it into both areas, and then I'll come back because we actually have to change this around as well. So I'll do that and we'll come back. All right, so I'm just putting in the last one here, and we actually have to change some stuff around. So as you'll see right here, we need the answer. So the answer is going to be Neil Armstrong, I think. I haven't checked yet. So yeah, Neil Armstrong. And what we need to do is we need to basically change this around, because Neil Armstrong is the answer, not Yuri. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to push this up to here with the text as well. I'm going to push this down to here. It doesn't really need to line up perfectly. Who cares? And this is just a tutorial. And I'm going to bring this down to here. I'm going to put Neil Armstrong. Well, yeah, we're going to do this. We're going to put Yuri up here, and we're going to put Neil Armstrong here. So now let's play the quiz. We'll go back from the start. You can put an AI voiceover if you like, or you can put some audio, and it's going to say B, Yuri. And we actually messed that up. So what you would want to do is you would take away the animation onto this, which you can go ahead and do by clicking pulse up here. And we're just going to have no automation. We'll take that away. All right, I've now removed the pulse, and as you can see, the bottom one now pulses, Neil Armstrong. So that looks very, very good. Now, another thing that we can do is we can go ahead and we can put a picture on the background to make it look pretty cool. So I'm going to go to pixels.com, and I'm going to put in space, and we're going to download an image that we can go ahead and use for free. And we'll just go ahead and use something like this. It doesn't really matter because this is a tutorial. So I'll download that right now. Next thing you want to do is you want to drag it onto the background here. And it's going to go ahead and load in like it's doing right now. And you don't have to actually put a background if you don't want to. You can just leave it with the purple. That's really up to you. And then you want to right click and you want to go to layers, and you want to go to show layers, and you want to find the space picture down here, and you want to drag it all the way to the bottom. There we go. And you also want to do the same on number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and find that image uploads. I'm going to drag it onto here. I'm going to right click. We're going to go to layers. We're going to go right click, layer. We're going to go right click, layers, show layer, and then we're going to also drag it down again right here. And now let's play it real quick. And there we go. And you can delete this at the bottom. We can delete this at the bottom here. And let's see. Let's go. All right, so that looks really, really good. Who was the first person to walk the moon? 3 multiple choice questions that we literally just created with AI. Super, super cool. And what you can do is if you have the paid version of Canva, you can go ahead and add AI voices and music and stuff like that. But we're not going to do that in this tutorial because it's actually pretty easy to understand how to do that. Or we might go ahead and do a more advanced tutorial later on. The next step is we want to go to share, and we want to go to download our thing right here, and I'm going to click download, and it's going to go ahead and download this. And then once it's downloaded, I'll come back and we'll talk about how you can make money with this. Alright guys, to make money with this is super easy. Once you get past 1,000 followers, you're going to be able to put a link in your bio right here. And what we can do is we can use something like Linktree to actually go ahead and put links in our bio. So Linktree, what this does is essentially it gives you one place to put all of your links, and it acts like kind of like a bridge page. So people will click that and they'll go to here where you have multiple links. I have tons of videos on how you can actually do that, and you can find some videos online. But what you want to do is you'll go to a website called clickbank.com, and on this website you have tons of offers where you would get an affiliate commission if someone purchased that specific product. So if we actually go here, I'm in the marketplace right here, and I can click on something like home and garden. And for example, if I went and did a TikTok account based on woodworking quizzes specifically, I could go ahead and find this woodworking product right here, and I could go ahead and click promote, and I would get a custom affiliate link that I could go ahead and put. I'll just go put my name here, custom affiliate link that I can go ahead and put into Linktree. Now, you can see here that let's go for gardening and horticulture, because a gardening topic would be a gardening TikTok would be very good, because we can go ahead and use ChatGPT. So for example, I'm going to go back real quick and just use ChatGPT to do something for me. I'm going to say create a quiz on gardening. Now it's going to create a quiz on gardening, so we could do a TikTok page specifically for gardening. And it's really, really good. So what is the primary purpose of mulch around gardens? What is the best time to water gardening plants, etc., etc.? It's going to go ahead and give us 10 quizzes. So we could go ahead. So we could go ahead and we could find specific gardening products to promote, and we would make a commission. Now these commissions are not very high. This one's actually not too bad. So you would get $67 per sale. We have some that are around about 24, 18, but there are much higher ones online as well. And we can go to all, and we can go to top offers, and it's going to show us all of the top offers. But what you want to do is you want to put that affiliate link into Linktree, and then you link Linktree into your profile on TikTok. And when people click that and they click that affiliate link in Linktree and they go to that product. So for example, let me just show you. A product right here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this product right here. I'm not 100% sure what this one is, or I think I know from other videos I've done, but this is the product right here. So when someone purchased this, you would get a commission, and this is the prices right here. All right, guys, that is super simple to create. The chatbot has gone and created 10 gardening quizzes that you could potentially use if that's the topic you're going to go for. You can create the... Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and upload to TikTok. So I'm going to upload that video real quick. This video is uploading right now. I'm not actually going to upload this to my profile, but it's uploading. You can put a caption, you can put hashtags, and you can go ahead and edit all of this stuff right here, and then it will upload. Now we'll come back to this in a second, but essentially this has just created us 10 more quizzes that we can use. This is how easy this stuff is. Create 10 quizzes based on a specific topic. Go to Canva, create a quiz. There's hundreds of templates you can use. Go ahead and choose a product to promote once you hit 1,000 subscribers, followers, and then go ahead and upload that content to TikTok and post it onto TikTok. Now, you're not going to get followers straight away. We've been seeing it's been taking around about 7 days, or kind of like 7 days to 14 days to get around about 10,000 followers. This is a very new method right now, so it's very easy to grow. But people are growing very quickly with this method, but you want to get onto this quick. Now we've uploaded this. This is now at 100%. Once this is finished uploading, we'll get some previews that we can go ahead and edit our cover. So as you can see, we can now play this. And there we go. Beautiful. It works extremely well. You can go ahead and upload this. Done. Easy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you then.